Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video, I will unbox and review the Fab Bag February 2019 edition. As most of you already know, it's priced at $5.99 including shipping per month, and I will give you a very true and honest opinion of mine. If you really want to know if you should invest in this edition or not, then keep on watching. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me as always. So this is how the pouch looks this time. I must say that the pouch is a good quality. It looks good. It's in a shimmery brown color, and quality wise also it's good. It's quite a decent size pouch. You can keep a lot of products inside this and use it as a travel kit or something to keep your makeup, like your makeup pouch. Once we open, we have all the products bubble wrapped, so packaging wise I don't have any complaints. So the first product and the star product this month is this one. It's the Artist Shadow Palette by SFR Color. So here are more details about the product. It has 32 grams of product, so each color or each shade in the palette is just 1 gram, and it's a decent size for palette. Like, it's not a huge palette even though it has 32 shades. As you can see, it just fits in my arms, and it's quite thin as well. So quantity wise you're not getting a lot, but of course you're getting a lot of shades. But I am not happy with this product because it's Fab Bag. If I get a Sapphire product in a box worth $1.99 or something like that, I would be saying that it's good, because for students or for teenagers who don't have a lot of money to invest for subscription boxes and just have to rely on their pocket money to get boxes, they can get those boxes at a very less and very affordable price tag of $99, $199 or $250, similar to that range, and they can start using eyeshadows and they can start experimenting with makeup, because they cannot invest a lot in buying good makeup and high-end makeup, at least for those who cannot. At that time I feel it's a good option. I have actually got a lot of SFR palettes and different products in very affordable boxes, but in a Fab Bag I would not expect getting a SFR product. This is how the palette looks up close. It does have a combination of matte and shimmery shades, mostly shimmery shades because making matte shades is more difficult. So we have only like a couple of matte shades here and there. Mostly they have a little bit of shimmer in them, as you can see here. They do have a wide range of colors here, but the quality of SFR palettes or SFR eyeshadows is just decent. They are not highly pigmented, they have a decent pigmentation. So for an affordable price tag, I would say they are okay, but in a Fab Bag I have more expectations. Fab Bag is actually one of the oldest and the biggest subscription boxes in India. They do make thousands of boxes or bags every month, so they can actually collab with brands that demand to have an order of 1,000 or more. So they can actually get really good brands in their bags, and that's what I expect from Fab Bag. If they start sending these brands, then I don't know what the affordable boxes will do. I actually see a lot of affordable boxes sending better brands nowadays and improving themselves, and this is not at all something that I would expect in a Fab Bag, and I'm definitely very disappointed with this product. The next product that again disappointed me is this one. It's the Cosmeto Food Organic Cosmetic Chocolate Mousse Skin Soother for all skin types. Well, this is an exact product which is there in the February grab box, mini grab box in fact, which is just $2.79 including shipping, and they also have sent like 5-6 products in their box or bag, and Fab Bag is sending the same product. So why should somebody invest more than double the price tag? I have much higher expectations. I would rather go for an affordable box, and I can buy 2 boxes in the price of a Fab Bag. So again, very disappointing. And that does not end. After that we have got this Major Crush Chocolate Amour Nail Lacquer. This is a very dull shade. Nevertheless, some people might like it. It is like a nudish shade, but everybody will be getting this exact nail paint in brown color. Many might or might not like it, but the nail paint is not a big deal. Nail paints are available for very affordable prices, and I don't consider nail paints as a really good product or something. I always consider them as extras. And apart from that, we have only one more product left, which is this Bespoke Bubbles Coffee and Chocolate Body Wash for all skin types, net weight 100 ml. And here are the details and ingredients mentioned. It does have SLES and other chemicals, so it is not an organic product, and it's worth 250 rupees. The directions for use are also there. So this is a body wash, a very basic product and not something that excites me a lot. So I don't see any star product here, and honestly this is not something that would make me happy when it comes to Fab Bag. As for the price tag, the brands are not good. There is no star product. None of the products excite me and make me happy and make me feel that this Fab Bag is worth buying. So I will not recommend this bag to any of you guys. I actually made a poll on my Instagram stories. I was not even willing to review this particular edition because I did not like it. So I asked you guys if you want to see a review or should I just skip it because it's not a positive review this month. And most of you guys said that yeah, we would like to know what your opinion is, so that is why I'm doing the review. And with that post came a lot of DMs when you all guys told that you did not like this edition at all. Many of you were disappointed, so it's not just me who feels that this is not up to the mark or it's not value for money. Many of you guys felt that the brands have degraded and overall it's definitely not worth buying. So that's all I'm sharing for this review. I hope you guys like my honesty, and for that you can give a big like to this video, and please let me know your views and your feedback about this particular edition in the comment section below, so that we all can discuss and find out if it's really value for money or it's just that I felt it's kind of degrading the quality. So that's all for today. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.